Today, I want to talk about something inspiring our dreams. And by dreams, I mean both goals for the future and sometimes the dreams we see when we sleep.
Yes, talking about dreams in English is really helpful because people often ask questions like, what do you want to do in the future? Or what's your biggest dream in life? So it's good to know how to answer.
Exactly. So let me start. One of my dreams is to become a great storyteller. I want to create stories that motivate people.
Motivate is a nice word. For beginner learners, motivate means to make someone feel inspired to do something, like when someone gives you energy to continue.
Right. And another dream of mine is to travel the world. I want to see different cultures and learn new languages.
That sounds amazing. One of my dreams is to start my own business one day, maybe a small cafe.
A cafe? Nice. But you used a word earlier, start my own business. That might feel a bit advanced for learners. It simply means to create something like a company or shop that belongs to you.
Yes, exactly. Do you have a dream that feels difficult?
Of course, one of my long-term dreams is to write a book, but sometimes I feel it's challenging.
Challenging is another good word. It means difficult, but in a way that helps you grow or improve.
Perfect explanation. So let me ask you, do you think dreams should be realistic or imaginative?
Good question. Sometimes dreams should be realistic, but sometimes a dream can be something big and ambitious.
Let's explain ambitious for our learners. It means a dream that is big, bold, and requires a lot of effort and time.
Yes, for example, becoming an astronaut is an ambitious dream.
True. Some people dream of becoming famous singers or world-class athletes. These dreams are ambitious too.
Speaking of big dreams, another dream I have is to live in a quiet place near nature, somewhere with trees, fresh air, and maybe a river.
That sounds peaceful. The word peaceful means calm, quiet, and relaxing.
Exactly. Many people dream about having a peaceful life.
What about dreams when you sleep? Do you usually remember them?
Sometimes. Last week I had a strange dream. I was flying above a city.
Flying dreams are interesting. Many people say they feel liberating. Let's explain that word. Liberating means something that makes you feel free.
Right, it's a powerful feeling. Do you remember any dream from this week?
Yes, I had a dream that I was late for an exam, even though I don't go to school anymore.
Oh, that's a classic dream. Many people have that one. The dream where you are running and can't reach something in time.
Exactly. And here's a helpful phrase. I dreamed that. For example, I dreamed that I missed the bus, or I dreamed that I met a famous actor.
Good examples. And learners can also use my biggest dream is, or one of my dreams is, or I hope I can.
Yes, and remember, sometimes dreams change. When I was a kid, my dream was to be a pilot, but now my dream is different.
Same here. When I was younger, my dream was to become a professional football player.
Really? That's interesting. Why did it change?
I realized I didn't enjoy the pressure. And pressure means feeling stressed because of expectations or responsibility.
Good explanation. It's true, some dreams fade as we grow older.
Fade means slowly disappear or become weaker.
Yes, but sometimes new dreams replace the old ones.
Exactly. Life changes, and so do our dreams.
Before we continue, I want to ask a question to the viewers. What is your dream? Write it in the comments using the sentence, my dream is chew.
Yes, and if you want, use an advanced word. If you're not sure about the meaning, we'll help you in the comments.
Great. Now let's keep going. I want to talk about how dreams can motivate us. Because dreams really can motivate us. When you have a clear dream, you usually wake up with more energy.
Yes, that's true. A dream gives you something to work toward. And that expression, work toward, means to take steps that move you closer to your goal.
Good explanation. For example, if your dream is to learn English, then watching videos like this is something you work toward every day.
Exactly. And sometimes dreams require discipline. Discipline means the ability to control yourself and do things even when you don't feel like it.
Yes, dreams are not just beautiful ideas. They need effort, focus, and discipline.
Speaking of dreams, I think it's interesting how some dreams can feel very personal. Some people dream of helping their family or community.
True. The word community means a group of people who live in the same area or share something in common.
And some people have dreams that are creative, like painting, writing music, designing clothes.
Yes, and creative means having the ability to make something new or original.
What's a creative dream you have?
Well, I dream of making a film one day, a movie with emotional depth.
Emotional depth is a beautiful phrase. For beginners, it means a story that has strong feelings and meaningful messages.
Exactly. What about you? Do you have a dream related to art or creativity?
Yes, actually. I dream of learning to play the piano. I want to play pieces that sound elegant.
Elegant means beautiful in a simple and stylish way.
Yes, and I think learning an instrument teaches patience too.
Definitely. Patience is very important for dreams. Patience means the ability to wait calmly without getting angry or frustrated.
Many long-term dreams need patience. That reminds me, some dreams are short-term and some are long-term. Short-term dreams are things you want soon, like next week or next month. Long-term dreams might take years.
Right. For example, a short-term dream might be, I want to save enough money to buy a new phone. A long-term dream might be, I want to become a doctor.
Or I want to move to another country one day.
Yes, and dreams sometimes change based on our experiences.
Experiences means things that happen in your life that teach you something.
Exactly. For example, when I traveled last summer, I realized I love exploring new cultures. So now I dream of living abroad for at least a year.
That's a beautiful dream, and living abroad means living in a country that is not your own.
Some people dream of becoming more confident. They want to speak English without fear.
Yes, that's very common. Confidence is something you build over time.
Let's explain confidence. It means feeling sure about yourself and not being afraid.
Right. And dreams can help you build confidence because when you achieve small steps, you feel proud of yourself.
Exactly. Achieve means to reach or complete something successfully.
I like that word. It's powerful. Do you think dreams can also come from childhood?
Absolutely. Many childhood dreams stay with us forever.
Like the classic childhood dream, I want to be a superhero.
Or I want to be a pilot. Or I want to be a teacher.
Some dreams stay the same and some evolve. Evolve means to grow, change, or develop slowly over time.
Good definition. For example, my dream to be a pilot evolved into wanting to travel and meet new people.
Yes, and for many people, dreams evolve with age, responsibilities, and opportunities.
Opportunities means good chances to do something.
Do you think dreams should be realistic or imaginative?
Both. Having realistic dreams helps you plan, but having imaginative dreams makes life exciting.
Good point. And imaginative means using your imagination to create ideas that are fun or unusual.
Let me ask viewers something again. Do you think dreams should be realistic or imaginative? Write your answer in the comments. I'm really curious.
Yes, and if your answer is in simple English, that's totally fine. You're learning, you're improving.
All right, let's talk about obstacles now. Every dream has obstacles.
Right, and obstacles means things that block your progress or make something harder.
For example, time, money, fear, lack of experience, these can all be obstacles.
But obstacles don't mean the dream is impossible. They just mean you need strategy.
Good word. Strategy means a plan you make to achieve a goal.
For example, if your dream is to speak English fluently, then your strategy might be study 20 minutes every day, watch videos like this, practice speaking with a friend, learn new vocabulary weekly.
Yes, and fluency requires consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly without giving up.
That's a key ingredient in achieving dreams.
Totally agree. All right, let's continue with how dreams can influence our choices. Because our dreams really do influence our choices. For example, if someone dreams of becoming a doctor, they choose to study biology or chemistry.
Yes, and if someone dreams of traveling the world, they might choose to save money instead of spending it quickly.
Right. And the word influence here means to affect or change the way someone thinks or behaves.
Exactly. Your dreams guide your decisions, they shape your path.
Shape your path is a nice expression. It means your dreams can create the direction your life goes in.
Speaking of direction, sometimes people lose direction because they face a setback.
Good word, setback. A setback is a problem that slows you down or temporarily stops your progress.
And it's normal. Every dreamer faces setbacks. What matters is how you respond.
Right. Respond means how you react or what actions you take.
For example, maybe your dream is to improve your English, but you feel shy. That is a setback, but it doesn't mean